Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can manage account info in your Epic Games account in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Step number 1, launch Epic Games. Step number 2, log into your account. And step number 3, navigate to library here on the left hand side. In the next step, click into your profile icon in the top right and select account from that drop down menu here. And after that you will be redirected to your user account here on the Epic Games web version. So make sure that you log in with the associated account, the same account you're using for the Epic Games application. And you can manage your account info, guys, and change anything you like here in your account information here under account settings to the left. And you can, as you can see, change these details like your display name, the email address you like to sign in, first name, last name, address, region, and if we scroll further down you can also delete your account here, so you can manage it from here. The only thing you can't change is your account information user ID, of course. That will be assigned to you once you have signed up on Epic Games. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to be logged in with the same account, of course. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.